Welcome to this session about starting IDEs from the command line, and this is found lessons day 2. So I guess and hope you have already worked on interactive work on the compute nodes and also covered a bit about the desktop on demand. So the focus here is starting IDEs from the command line. So after this, we hope you are able to start at IDEs from the command line, Jupyter, Spyder, and VSCode. And we recommend you to use the compute nodes, like we learned before. Yes, and also if you could prepare your environment, so you log into desktop, either thin link or on demand. Here you have a link how to do this, and also start an interactive session with 6 cores. And here you have the allocations for this workshop. So first about Jupyter, it runs through a web browser, and it allows so-called literature programming for Python. So you work with notebooks. Yes, and so you can have cells with the code, but also cells with written text, for instance in English, but whatever language could work. And you will see some examples in the coming lesson today. Yes. So the principle here is that Jupyter is started. You can do it from the command line, and then a service run. And then you can use a web browser to display the notebook itself, or Jupyter Lab. We have some local nodes. For NSC, it's better to use, you can start thin link around Jupyter on the login node. You can also do some SSH tunneling. And for UPPMAX, you can use a local thin link, or the web one should work now as well. And HPC better to use on demand. So for you, you don't have to cover this. You can go to the next lesson. The same for LUNARC, I would say. Yes. So just some examples for NSC. You log in with the link. Okay, yes. Then you load a lab, Jupyter Lab module. So you do it from the terminal. So module load this system module, GCC, Python, maybe SciPy bundle, and Jupyter Lab. So then you have the packages here from SciPy. And then you type Jupyter Lab in the terminal. It will show some text, including telling you to open a URL in the browser. If you just wait, it will open a browser in Jupyter, with Jupyter. So it will look something like that. So here you have the web browser view, and here you have the server. And sometimes you may want to copy paste something here, like localhost and a port number and some token. So this can be used if you want to do some SSH tunneling to your own computer. Yes. So the instructions are here, and same for UPPMAX, I would say, Pelle and Bianca. PDC is a bit different. And here it's easier to use thin link, and hopefully the licenses are sufficient so that you can use that resource. Yes. So you have the applications here. And then it will open up this GFX launcher view. But this is mainly covered in the next session. Spyder is another tool. It's powerful and flexible. And yes, you will hear more about that in the coming lesson. But the principle in how to start is like this. Typically, interactive session is good. Then you load a Python or a Spyder module, depending on where you are. And if you don't have a Spyder's software module, you have to load your Spyder environment that you created in an earlier lesson, the one with use isolated environments. Yes. So here we have some instructions. So on NSE, since Spyder is not available there, you can use a conda environment that you created in exercise 2 in the lesson I just mentioned. And you do it like this. So first you have to load the module Miniforge, then you set the paths, and then you activate this Spyder environment. Then you can install other packages with pip install from inside Spyder, or use conda install. From the terminal as well, yes. And you start Spyder by Spyder and ampersand. This. So either Spyder or Spyder 3 will work. And you can keep this open for the next session, so then you can try things out. PDC is about the same. And you should be able to use this from, so if you have logged in already to a thin link, you can use a terminal there for a login node, and then you do these steps. And at UPPMAX, a bit different, yes. VSCode is an IDE that is more and more popular, and it's very flexible. So you can use it for Python, but also any language, basically. And one good thing is that you can both use the VSCode installed on some clusters, because they are installed on Pelle, for instance, and Bianca, and Tetalit. Oh, I should change this one. It will be VSCodium from this one. Seems. So you can run them there, and you start with code, and then you will have a new, graphical user interface for this. Dardel and Kebekaise do not have VSCode. So then you can use your own computer and connect to your cluster via SSH tunneling. And this will work on any of these. So also for Tetalit and Pelle. Not for Bianca, because Bianca do not have any internet connection directly. And here are some steps. So if you click this, there are this is how to do it from home. So here are some instructions. And I think, or I'm quite confident in saying that Giant will show how to do this also in the coming session. The one called Using IDEs. Yes. So we suggest you to try all of this. So starting Jupyter and Spyder and following the instructions that were in these different tabs. Like that. And let us know if it doesn't work. Or if you can contact your local support for your cluster. Yes, and you could try, since I just copy-pasted this one, exercise 4 would be to start the module if it's available on your cluster, like we have here. Yes. So with that, good luck and see you next time.